Hello class, this is Mrs. Heyer, and today we're going to be going over coordinating conjunctions. To begin, let's talk about the three types of conjunctions. There are coordinating conjunctions, which this will be the topic of our lesson today, and then subordinating and correlative conjunctions, which we will talk about in a future presentation. Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect words, or words like nouns, phrases, and clauses, which are sentences, together. They kind of connect these two different things like glue would, kind of sticking and holding them together. They can connect things of equal value, such as they'll connect a noun to a noun, a prepositional phrase to a prepositional phrase, and a full sentence to another full sentence. There are 7 types of conjunctions we're going to talk about today. And one way to remember them is we use the acronym called FANBOYS to help us remember. So for the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Using FANBOYS represents the first letter of each of these 7 words. So if you can remember the acronym, you should be able to remember the words that correspond to it. This will help you in future references. So let's talk about when we join words together. Conjunctions can join 2 or more words, such as, I went to the store to buy eggs, bacon, and juice. So we're combining eggs, bacon, and we're adding juice in there with the and in there. If you have 2 or more nouns, you have to use a comma in there, as is highlighted. And we're using the conjunction and in this one. When we're joining phrases, more specifically prepositional phrases, at least for right now, conjunctions can join prepositional phrases, such as, I went running down the street and past the trees. My prepositional phrases are down the street and past the trees, which represents and is connected with a conjunction, and. So I went running down the street and past the trees. Let's talk about joining clauses now. Clauses are actually, once again, remember, these are 2 full sentences, at least 2 full sentences. You can do more, but right now we're going to stay with the simple idea of just 2 different sentences. The first, and you must, in this case, when they're actual full sentences, you must place a comma before the conjunction. The example would be here. I played cards for a while, but then I played chess. These 2 sentences can stand on their own if we wanted them to. In that case, it'd be I played cards for a while, period. Then I played chess, period. But if we want to combine them, we can combine them using a conjunction. But we have to combine them with a comma before the conjunction. In this case, with a comma and the word but. Sometimes, depending on the type of word or conjunction we use, it could also affect the meaning of your sentence, such as if we use the conjunction and. And refers to putting things together or connecting things that are alike or joined together. So in this case, our example could be, I want popcorn and pizza. That means I want them both. However, if I'm using the word but, it's used to connect things that are different or separate, such as, I want popcorn, but not pizza. So I'm saying yes to popcorn and no to pizza in this case. Using or refers to offering a choice, such as, do I want popcorn or pizza? So it's one or the other. Which one do I want? Using nor is used to offer a negative choice, such as, I do not want popcorn nor pizza. So what I'm saying here is I do not want either of these. Yet is used to show a change in a sentence. So when you're using it, especially yet is going to be used usually for two sentences. So if you have two full sentences, remember we must put a comma in here to connect the two. So I could say, I want popcorn, comma, yet I also want pizza. So I'm saying in the beginning I want popcorn, and then I decide I want pizza. So this and that I have a change in there. The word so is used to show a relationship between things. And once again, if it's used in two full sentences between the two of them, you must use a comma. An example, I want popcorn, so I made some. In order to get popcorn, I had to make some. So they're showing a change of what I had to do there. Using the word for is another interesting one. For is used to show a relationship between things also. And once again, if you're using it between two full sentences, you must put a comma in there. I ordered a pizza, for I was hungry. So because I was hungry, I ordered a pizza. So because I have two full sentences, I must put that comma before the conjunction. Now that we've gone over these, let's practice a little bit. Using your acronym of fanboys, I would like you to create two sentences, each using a coordinating conjunction to connect nouns. Two sentences, each using a coordinating conjunction to connect prepositional phrases. And two sentences, each using a coordinating conjunction to connect clauses. You need to have this ready to go when class is in session tomorrow. Luckily, make use of this video and go back and look at the different examples we have throughout the video. You can easily go back and you can pause it when you need to pause, especially to look at those different examples. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow, guys.